to Quicksilver with a fabulous crescendo of noise on the arrival of this video to your ears. We have a Jaguar F-Pace SVR right behind me. You can see it, you know it's there. That's probably why you clicked on the video. Don't get distracted by the wonderful Ferrari 812 V12 behind me. This wonderful V8, supercharged 5-litre V8, is also incredible with our system on it. It has valves, and we're just going to have a quick look at what underneath and show you what you get for your money. So F-Pace on the ramp, just like that easy. What you get, we have the system basically starts from the centre of the car back. You have a centre resonator there. You have the two pipes that lead into the two rear silencers. From here, this is where the magic happens. You have valves each side. As you can see, when the valves are open, most of the exhaust gases come straight out, so you almost have a straight through sound. When the valves, but there is also a little bit of bleed which just comes through into the box, but because as you can see it's a T sort of joint there, most of the flow comes straight out. When the valves shut, however, the gases are forced to come through the box and exit through the other side only, and then that is obviously resonated both sides, so you get a very different cut when the valves are shut and the valves are open. The valve protocol on these cars works with the existing car's ECU, so the valves kind of work when you're on and off the throttle. They decide what's best for the car and they'll be opening and shutting, so you get quite a nice sound when you want it, when you need it. JLR have designed it that way, and we don't feel we need to change that, apart from the fact our system just makes these 5-litre supercharged V8 sound a hell of a lot better.